Hi, I'm Alexander from René of Paris. Today I'm going to do some hair styling with you, hence why I've got this amazing wig right in front of me. So yes, this is Briar, it is in the Noriko collection, and it is that new colour, Sandy Salt, which is fantastic. So I wanted to do a little bit of basic styling with you guys today, just gonna give it a bit of an up. First I'm just brushing through a little bit with a comb and so I can get a little bit of a fluffier texture in the wig, and that's going to help me with the putting up. I'm going to take the hair into this direction, okay, so we're cleaning it up in this direction. Just going to put the comb in my back pocket, and I know everyone's, what spray is he using? It's the travel size. I love the travel size. The travel size finishing spray from René of Paris, the protecting hold spray. I like the big sizes, but you know what? If I'm ever doing, like, because I am a session stylist, so I do work on sets and work on TV and work on different things. So, you know, if ever I'm working on a big job and I need lots of equipment, that travel size is amazing because I can just put it in my pocket and just run to area. So, okay, so first off what I'm doing, just smoothing this in. I take one bobby pin, like so, and I just want to cross this bobby pin over. So essentially I've got two crossed bobby pins now. I want to take a third and lift that up. So you kind of, what you're ending up with is a gripped back section here. So you've got a cross of grips. I'm going to put another bobby pin over. Okay, so that's what I'm working with from the back. So we see how that looks. And then this is where we're at from the front. So I've still got a little bit of work to do. Now, what we have with this style is we have a lace front, so we can afford to take it off the front face a little bit. But I'll get to that fringe area last. What I want to do is ultimately wrap this up. So you see what I'm doing, ladies and gentlemen? Just taking these pins, using the pins to fold the hair over the original bobby pins. Like so. So you see we've got this kind of French twist going on at the moment. We've got a little bit more to do, but ultimately, ladies and gentlemen, is I've actually put up and upstyled a very short wig in terms of, you know, people would think this was a lot longer. So let's carry on doing a bit more work on this side. And that spray really is the hero of the day. So now what I'm going to do is just nice and light is scoop the rest of these layers in. So when I turn this round, you can see what I'm doing, guys. I'm just scooping those in. So all those short bits, you just get in with the bobby pins. So again, we're doing a little bit of myth busting. You know, people said that it's impossible to do long hair styling with shorter wigs. Well, that's just not the case. What you will do is you'll have areas to clean up. Okay, so now what I'm doing is just allowing a few of these bits to stick out and be a little bit textured. So now let's look at the fringe. I think I'm going to keep the fringe actually out. And then what I'm doing, ladies and gentlemen, for the final bit of finishing off, is I'm taking the spray, the protecting hold spray, I'm using the tail of the comb to just clean all of this up a little bit. Bear in mind, this is a shorter style that's got curl in it, and we've turned it into like a little textured short French twist. So You know, very, very different from what anybody would even think this wig could do. So what do you think, guys? You know, that is Briar. She's but styled lovely. I mean, you have limitations with shorter wigs, but I don't like hearing anything's impossible. Generally, people used to say hair beyond the shoulder is what you can put up. Anything above the shoulder is impossible. Well, I don't like that, and it's not. So let's have a look. So that wasn't impossible, was it? It's a French twist or a French pleat, depending on what part of the world you are. So we've scooped all that back in. This would be great for a mother of the bride, great for a bride even, or anything for a party or something sophisticated, or just if it's getting really hot and you just want to give yourself a little bit of a twist and scoop it up. That was easy to do, achievable, and we did it on an above shoulder layered bob, and we've kind of created loads more hair. Do you like this style? Might be for you, it might not. What do you think? Leave us some comments below. And what do you think of the style? What do you think of Briar? What do you think of the colour? What do you think of our videos? Any comments you give us back, we always work on them, so we appreciate that. But for today, you've been tuning in to me. I'm Alexander. This is René of Paris, and we're going to see you next time. Bye-bye.